Hello and welcome back to my channel, Veritas Azagai. Recently, I've seen an uptick in cases where bankers removed cash from clients' accounts without their permission. And based on this, I've decided to make a new series called Banking Secrets They Do Not Want You to Know. And in this series, you're going to learn everything about how the bankers overcharge you fees on your accounts. In this new series, you're going to learn everything about how the bankers underpay you interest on your accounts. And in the series, you're going to learn everything about how the bankers take money from your account without your permission. So without further ado, let us start. Now in this case, there was a suspicion amongst clients that money is going missing out of their bank accounts. The bank conducted a further review, an internal review, and they found that indeed one of the bank employees was actually removing cash from customers' account without their permission. It further transpired that the deputy branch manager of the Shinkin Bank in Japan was going to the office in the evenings and on holidays, and he entered the office and he removed cash from customers' accounts. In specific, the customers were depositing their cash in safety deposit boxes inside of the bank. And the branch manager, the deputy branch manager, a 49-year-old male, decided to make spare keys of the customer safety deposit boxes. And what he did was, over a long systematic period, he would go into the bank branch over holidays, and he would literally remove cash from the client's safety deposit boxes, and he would then take this money out and then lock it up again with the spare keys that he have made. The bank calculated the customer losses, and they calculated that in total the deputy branch manager stole more than 1 billion yen from client accounts over this period. They've calculated that he started stealing in small portions, and later on from 2019 to 2025 he stole approximately 619 million yen from client accounts. So in total, approximately 1 billion yen was stolen from customer safety deposit boxes. And this continued over a very long period, and the bank found that the deputy branch manager started with the scheme already in 2016. So he was stealing from customers' accounts for a very long period. The bank's internal review found internal CCTV footage showing where the deputy branch manager went into the branch in the evenings and on holidays and literally removed cash from customer accounts. They've established that he did this approximately more than 100 times, where he entered the safety deposit boxes and the bank vault and removed cash from customer accounts. Eventually, the bank was compelled to hand over the matter to the local police in Japan, and later on this branch manager was arrested by the police for suspicion of stealing customer cash. So you can see here that this does happen. Bankers do go rogue and they do take money from customer accounts. Now the question comes up here, what happens if this happens to you? What happens at the bank? How will they treat you, and what is the recourse? Now what happens in many cases, some banks do work with the customers and they do help them, and some banks do repay the customers. But in certain cases you have banks that does not participate in the remediation of this issue, and they do not help the clients, For example, in some countries, client funds are protected up to an amount of 100,000 US dollars, and then there will be repayments to the customers. But if the losses occur over 100,000, then they sometimes do not help with repayments. So this is specifically relevant if there is unauthorized withdrawals on your account. So the moral of the story here is choose the correct bank. Choose a bank that you trust. Make sure that the bank you choose, you trust. Trust is a big thing. Second thing is to make sure that the amount of cash that you have in your account or in your safety deposit box is covered by the protections, So these protections I'm talking about is consumer protection laws that they have in each country, and each country protects you if there is losses on your account. But the main thing is here is trust. Make sure that you trust the bank, make sure that you trust the bankers, and make sure that you trust the people that is keeping your money safe. Now, this is the first video in a longer series where we are discussing banking secrets that they do not want you to know. In the series, we're going to explore more cases like this where bankers treated the customers unfairly. We're going to explore incidents where the consumer rights of the customers were violated, and we're going to take a deeper dive into how the banks behave when customers lose money and how they treat the customers and whether you can get your money back or not. So please do check in periodically on this channel and go and check out the playlist Banking Secrets, What They Don't Want You to Know. Thank you for watching this video, and please smash the like button, and I look forward to seeing you here at my channel soon.